Basically, I used to be an attorney at a local immigration firm, and I did my master's in international relations at Fletcher at Tufts University in Boston. So I've always been interested in international matters. I like the fact that we work with different cultures, with people from around the world. I like the challenge that it presents, the fact that everything moves so quickly, that the clients move so quickly, the world is moving so quickly. We need to be conscious about it. We need to be very agile, very active. So that's one of the things that I think that are very encouraging for people, and myself. I feel driven about the fact that we need to respond quickly. We need to be where our clients need us to be on a timely manner. We need to understand the changes around the world. We need to understand the changes in the region. So that's one of the things that is very motivating for people, I think. We have to learn what's going on. We always have to be connected with what's going on, because either a natural disaster or a very important acquisition at a destination country has an impact on what we do. I think that we are a firm that is growing, although it's already very big, but it's still growing a lot. So I think that we offer our staff the possibility to grow with the firm, with the company, and they know that there's opportunities everywhere, that we have to either be opening new offices or being involved in new projects. It's always a challenge to try to become the firm for a new company or a new industry. We're also working with the highest skilled employees of our clients, of our company. So we're always speaking with very interesting people, people that have very interesting backgrounds. They're either company directors or very highly skilled technicians, and they're usually very interesting people with they have a lot of anxiety over the process, so we have to be very sensitive with them, and they're bringing their whole family, their whole lives to a new environment, so they're a little anxious about it. That interaction with the different cultures, with the different colleagues and people around the world is very it's very interesting, and it's what makes it very passionate.